Welcome. My name is Marina, and I am a data analyst at LS Retail. In this video, I will present to you the Analytics Data Catalog, a data inventory for all data assets in our analytics reports. To find our data catalog, you can go to the LS Central Online Help, where we have it under LS Central Modules Analytics Reports. At the Analytics Data Catalog page, you will find an introduction to the data catalog capabilities, and when scrolling down, you will have the opportunity to interact directly with it by using the embedded report at this page. The Analytics Data Catalog is a data assets inventory and was designed to help our data users to quickly find the most appropriate data for any analytical or business need. So, the initial navigation page is divided into two sections. At the left-hand side, the Data Catalog section. Here you can search and find any data assets and its lineage for all reports in one place. Click All Reports button and you'll be opening a page built to support you in your data discovery and governance. It uses metadata to collect and organize the different data objects, helping you manage your data. Here, you can search, filter, and find all report data objects. At the top of this page, we have metrics, such as the number of tables, objects, and measures, to provide you with a quick understanding of your data. At the column on your left, you can select a particular report and filter this report's specific metadata. You can then filter, search, and find metadata for the tables and objects at the report and their respective data warehouse source table. If going back to the navigation page, we have further options for the data catalog exploration, such as the possibility for a further dive into the data warehouse source lineage and the LS Central Source Lineage page. If opening the last, you can easily learn about the report table's origin and lineage, and identify which source table from the data warehouse is the basis for a report table, which store procedure was involved in its creation, the staging tables utilized in that store procedure, all the way to the original system Business Central and LS Central tables. If looking for a more graphical representation and discovery of the report's data sources, we have the LS Central Source Lineage map. Here, you will have a visual diagram that illustrates the ETL process direction. You can filter it, for example, at the Business and LS Central data origins, and follow the data extraction and load direction to identify the staging tables, to its later transformation with the analytics store procedures, and subsequent result as analytics tables used at the report level. If wanting to learn more about the report level, again at the Data Catalog navigation page, and to provide you with a full exploration experience, you'll find links to all current analytics reports dataset item pages at the right-hand side of the page, allowing you to explore the semantic data model objects for each report individually. When clicking at a particular report button, you will be redirected to this report and to its dataset items page. Here, you will be able to explore the semantic model objects specific to this report, its tables and columns, the relationships between these, and the measures used at this report, including the DAX formulas used to create them. If wanting to find out more on how to install our analytics product package and enjoy a comfortable data discovery, you can go to LS Central Online Help page, Analytics module, Onboarding process, and find the instructions on how to install our analytics product package. Thank you for watching this video, and until the next time.